Semiconductor manufacturing requires a very large number of processes. And graphite is used in various forms in each process due to its properties. In this time, we will introduce graphite used in the single crystal silicon manufacturing. The CZ method, one of the single crystal silicon manufacturing methods, is a process to melt polycrystalline silicon in a heating furnace and glow single crystals. Most parts of single crystal silicon growth equipment is made of graphite. Heater is the part that heats the inside of the furnace by resistance heating in order to melt raw material. Graphite is used because of its electrical conductivity and heat resistance. Quartz crucibles soften at high temperatures. Graphite crucibles are the supporting component of quartz crucibles. Graphite crucibles are made of high-strength, low-wear graphite. At high temperatures, quartz crucibles soften and do not retain their shape. Graphite crucibles do not soften and can support quartz crucibles. Reflectors are used to increase the speed and quality of single crystal silicon pulling. Reflectors are made of high-purity graphite and it has heat resistance. Toyo Tanso's products for semiconductor equipment can be handled consistently from the proposal of materials suited to your needs by our professional engineers to processing. We contribute to customers' production efficiency improvement, stable production, and quality improvement. Our offices are located around the world, so please feel free to contact us. Please check to the overview section for contact information. We look forward to hearing from you.